So hey, what's up guys, what's going on? In this video, I'll be unboxing the iQOO Neo 10. So let's see what all things do we get in the box and let's have a glance on the device as well. So this side Shubham here, you're watching UnZip Tech, let's get started. So this is the box that I have received when I ordered this phone from Amazon. So let's open this up. Now inside this box, you can see there is a bill. So here you can see the amount is around 31,998 rupees. But I have got it with a discount by applying my credit card. So I bought it around 30k. So let's keep this aside and get the original box out of this box. This is the first impression of the iQOO Neo 10. It is completely sealed with the plastic. You can see the details over here. Let me grab something so that I can open this box out. Okay, so let's get the thing out, but wait, let me check the downside. Okay, here is a seal that we need to break. Let me break this quickly. So this is the first impression of the mobile phone. Let's keep the device aside and have a look on what all things do we get in the box. So here we have some of the paperwork, the warranty card, this aside. Then we have the user guide, let's keep this aside as well. Then you can also see that we have a case in the box itself, which is a good quality case. You can see that the protection is also there for the charging port, and below that the biggest thing which most of the companies avoid nowadays is the adapter. It comes with a Type-C output. Let's look at the cable now. So here is the cable, and the cable is Type-C to Type-C. And after that we get the SIM ejector tool, and yeah, that was all about it. This all things we get in the box. Let's have a look at the phone now. Let me remove the plastic which is there on top of it. The look and feel or the first impression is very good. You can see the display. This is the left side of the device, this is the bottom, this is the right side of the device, and this is the top view. Looking at the back, the camera module really looks very big, and you have the branding on the bottom side. So let's just power it up, and here it goes, the iQOO Neo 10 5G. I'll do the setup process, and yeah, this was all about the unboxing part of it. Let me know in the comments if you need any kind of review related to this device. So thank you for watching till the end, and that's it for today. If you like the video, do hit the like button and click the subscribe button to keep on getting the notification whenever I upload my new videos. So that's it for today. See you guys in the next one. Till then, bye bye.